What is disability income insurance? Disability income insurance, or DI, is known as income protection. You rely on your income. So what would happen if you weren't able to work for months or years at a time? DI replaces a portion of your income when you become too sick or injured to work. DI typically replaces 60 to 80% of your monthly income. Disability income is a type of insurance protection. When you purchase a DI policy, you pay a premium to an insurance company. In return, the insurance company agrees to pay the monthly amount outlined in your policy if you are too sick or injured to work. This is called your policy benefit. It's your money. Use it to pay your bills, cover medical expenses, and maintain your lifestyle. You're working hard to earn your income. Don't forget to protect it.